Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into congruence. 5 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Consonants. Which means agreement or compatibility between opinions or actions. Consonants. For example, consonance between conservation measures and existing agricultural practice. Number 2. Conformity. Which means similarity in form or type. Conformity. For example, these changes are intended to ensure conformity between all schemes. Number 3. Unity. Which means a thing forming a complex whole. Unity. For example, they speak of the 3 parts as a unity. Number 4. Accord. Which means agreement or harmony. Accord. For example, the 2 sides failed to reach accord. Number 5. Unanimity. Which means agreement by all people involved. Unanimity. For example, there is almost complete unanimity on this issue. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.